Hey guys, this is AC Lockyer with SoftWash Systems, and I'm so excited to introduce you guys here to David and Garrett with Guardian SoftWash Solutions, and you guys are getting ready to launch in Central Mississippi.
Yes, sir.
Now, what cities are you going to be servicing there?
We're going to be based out of Brandon, Mississippi, and we'll work Rankin County, Madison County, Hines County, and the surrounding areas.
That's awesome, that's awesome. And you guys may not know this, but this is actually a father and son-in-law team here. And so this is a family business, and we're just very, very excited for you guys to not only be launching this, but that it is a family business, locally owned, locally operated. And I just want to thank you so much, guys, for trusting us with your build and helping you guys get into the soft washing business. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tell your customers what makes this awesome truck and this beautiful wrap very unique in your area. It's going to be a spectacle, really, driving around there in Mississippi, but why soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right, as I just mentioned, soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. All right, guys, what does that mean? Well, instead of the blowing and blasting of pressure washing, we use water-based biodegradable chemicals. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, viruses, all while sanitizing the surface. Literally third-party tested, 98.9% sanitized. It's really, really cool. And how do we achieve that without wasting water, without the blowing and blasting, without the erosion of pressure washing? Well, it's called soft washing. So come on right over here. This beautiful 72-inch skid that we have here in the back of this Dodge pickup truck actually has 4 different cleaning modules on it. So the first one here in the A position is what we call our SoftWash Systems Blend 6X. And blend technology is we're taking water, we're taking bleach, sodium hypochlorite, and biodegradable water-based soaps, and we are blending those together into a soft washing solution that we can spray on the surfaces that will clean each surface based on what it needs on that surface. And so we're blending that sodium hypochlorite and our 3 different soaps, our scent, and our conditioner here to be able to uniquely treat every substrate on your building or home for what it needs specifically. Right next to it here is our Rinse DC Plus. Now we call it the Rinse DC Plus because the plus is it has the built-in plant wash valve on it. So not only does this allow us to go ahead and rinse all of the soft washing solution off of your building, off of your home, but also the dirt, the grime, the mold, mildew, the viruses, rinse those away with not pressure washing, but 7 gallon per minute, 120 PSI water, about twice the strength of a garden hose, and get all of the soft washing solution off, but also neutralize the plants afterwards by spraying them with our plant wash neutralizer. Right next to it here is a dreaded no-no blaster. Now we call it the no-no blaster just in fun because pressure washing is honestly 100-year-old technology, but there's a tool for every job, and every once in a while we do need a pressure washer for oil and grease stains, for exfoliating dead wood off of decks, or taking care of loose or chipping paint on a home. So we have that module as well. Right next to that is our Phantom Shadow RODI 80, and this unit here basically makes spot-free water. It's a reverse osmosis deionizing machine that allows us to go back on windows, highly gloss painted surfaces, different stone that's polished and things like that, and rinse it without scaling or hard water staining or any type of spots on it. All of this here is wrapped up in a beautiful SoftWash Systems 72-inch skid. As we come around to the back of the truck here, you'll notice that we have 4 hose reels. Those 4 different machines have their own hose reels. So we have a soft wash reel, a rinse reel for the Rinse DC, our pure water spot-free rinse reel, and our pressure washing reel. Very, very important. The other great thing about this system here is you'll notice is this system is battery powered. This is a DC powered electric system except for the pressure washer, but everything else on this is DC electric powered. Now as we come back around over here to the other side of the skid, we will notice here that we have our different soap tanks. So we have our Restore, we have our Green Wash, we have our Terra Wash, our Final Wash, which is our hydrophobic finishing soap that we use that waxes your home, waxes your building, and leaves a hydrophobic coating on it. Our Rain Fresh, which is our deodorizer. But here's that plant wash I was talking about here that goes into the Rinse DC that we spray all of your landscaping with, because sodium hypochlorite does have salt in it. It's called sodium. And so that sodium hypochlorite there, we have to make sure we neutralize off the plants when we get done taking care of the plants. All of this here is, again, part of our Good Stewards program. Those Good Stewards chemicals are water-based, biodegradable, low VOC, non-hazardous products that we spray on your home or building. They are not going to hurt the environment or be a threat to any of the foliage or animals that are around your property. Listen, how do you go ahead and contact Guardian SoftWash Solutions? They are a SoftWash Systems certified applicator. They have been certified by SoftWash Systems. We've put our veil over them, and you can contact them there in Central Mississippi at 601-596-9302. That's 601-596-9302. Or you can get them at GuardianSoftWashSolutions.com. They are our latest SoftWash Systems certified applicator there in Mississippi.